Ashok Arora. I am President of NRI International, UN Committee member of New York City Bar, and former Secretary of Supreme Court Bar Association of India a record number of times. I must say here that every word spoken here before me, I endorse that, and it is also as good as mathematics now that these RSS goons, as a lawyer I am aware what I am talking, RSS goons have looted India. Is as good as mathematics that after Modi took over 12 years back, the money, BJP, RSS and two big cronies, they have multiplied their money, and a common man is now at the bottom at 136. VM Institute of Sweden and Freedom House of New York, they all said it is autocracy, there is no democracy in India. There is no democracy in India. Let this man prosecute me. He is a goon. He is a big fraud. That is why my pre-speaker who spoke to us before me, she said that 100 years they have not registered the organization. Why have they not registered the? And on this goon, I call him again a goon, a fraud, Bhagwat. Millions of dollars are being spent for his security. For what? This is public's money. In the land of Lincoln, we say this is democracy for the India, for people, of people, by people. But there it is only for Mohan Bhagwat, for RSS. They have looted actually. They not only take pride in killing Mahatma Gandhi, they even worship Godse and all that. I think it is high time these goons, these crooks should be totally banned. Having one of the best mayor in the world, Mamdani, we have talked to him, we are meeting him. I am sure that he'll take steps that New York, beautiful city, is not used by these people who have been spreading hatred for more than 100 years. And everybody, including minorities, Muslims, Sikhs, Dalits, Christians, the tribals, women, nobody is safe in India. 1.4 billion people are under torture for last more than 12 years, ever since Modi orchestrated those riots in 2002, because Modi's political career was conceived in sin with those riots. So you cannot expect from these people any affection for anyone. They have looted India. I end here with this, that we all are united to stop this crook from addressing here, and also from exposing them that it is not message of oneness. They have already divided India. The basic culture, that Ganga Jamna Tehzeeb of love for all, which is on the first page of the constitution, promote universal brotherhood. They are violating. Day in, day out, Prime Minister, Speaker, Deputy Speaker, they are all violating. And this man is ringleader of that gang RSS. So Mohan Bhagwat should be stopped. Thank you, friends. Thank you. All the best. Bye.